departing Murfreesboro, Tennessee. On our way to Laurel, Mississippi, and then to Commerce City, Colorado. Whoa, force of habit. Commerce, California, we go to a lot more often. Commerce City, Colorado, which is the east side of Denver. Gonna get us a load of cluckers. Well, ain't that a pretty fire engine? I'm getting us about 5 miles down the road because the GPS does not know that 840 exists. Don't know why. So I'm going to get us on to 840, and then Chris is going to drive us the rest of the way down there. It's 401 miles to pick up, 1,800 altogether. Boy. When I got here this morning, everything was nice and calm. Now it's windy. Hopefully we won't hit any really nasty weather. But as usual, think positive and everything will be okay. Chris got to finish her sandwich real quick too. Right here. Somebody took it out. Evening all. We've picked up in Laurel, Mississippi. Our weights are good. Now we're on our way to Denver. Got some cross country to do. And I'll pick up 20 toward Dallas. Work my way north to Kansas City. And then head west on 70. 1,353 miles to go. We got plenty of time to get there. Oh yeah. Got some news today, and I'll fill you in on that in a little bit. But right now I gotta answer the phone.
'cause I have looked the devil in the eye. Felt the tides as they turn. I have tasted victory. Oh, and I have felt defeat. Yeah. Yes, I've been to hell and back so many times. I'm still standing on my. I'm still standing on my feet. Yes, I'm still standing on my. I'm still standing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks to the Hideaway Cafe for having us. Thank you all for coming and hanging out with us tonight. Thank you so much. You've been so good.
Morning. We're somewhere in the middle of nowhere, a little bit north of Fort Worth on 287. 307 miles
You have 1
to...
hour and 47 minutes of remaining drive time.
Why do you have to do that now? 307 miles from Amarillo, 730 to final. We have 30 hours to get there.
Oh, Allison, we can piddle.
No.
Yes.
No. I'll explain why later. Rain most of last night. Bumpy roads all night long. Dallas morning rush. That was not fun. But we're here. Things are looking up. All the weather's past us. Or we've passed all the weather, however you want to put it. So now I got a whole bunch of editing to do. If you like the vlog, please share. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And we'll see you tomorrow. Say bye. Say bye. Woof. Woof.